guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a glass bar effect in Premiere Pro. So just open a new project right here and added a video clip on the timeline. The first thing you're going to do is to right click on the project window and click on new item, and you're going to create a new adjustment layer. Just click on OK, and once you have done that, drag the adjustment layer to the part of the video that you want the glass bar effect to start. For example, I'm going to start it right here. And after that, we're going to search transform under the effects, and let's drag it to the adjustment layer. Let's go to effect controls while still selecting the adjustment layer. Let's uncheck the uniform scale right here. Let's change the scale height to 150, the width to 30, and the rotation to 25. After that, let's scroll down, and under the transform effect, we're going to change the scale to 130. That we are going to go to the first part of the adjustment layer, and we are going to toggle the animation for position. So click on this clock icon beside the position, and let's move it to the very left until it disappears, so we can see the glass effect already on our video. So let's drag it to the very left until it disappears, just like that. And then we go to the end of the adjustment layer by dragging our timeline indicator, and we drag it to the very right part of the video until it disappears again, just like that. And once you have done that, we are going to duplicate the adjustment layer on the timeline by holding the Alt key on your keyboard and dragging it up on the timeline, just like that. And you should have 3 adjustment layers duplicated like that on your timeline, and once we play it, it should look like this. And that is how you can basically add a glass bar effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.